what's up guys? Don't know say boy, Ninja Insane.
Bojo.
Yes, today we are back with another banger video. So, as you can see that time is a video.
What is going on here?
So you can see that time we're going to do today. Smash, marry and kill Jamaican celebrity. So before we get into the video, just remember to like the video, hit thumbs up, just touch me it on below. Yeah. Just go in the comment section, comment some. And just click the share button and click the subscribe. Don't subscribe, just click it and click the post notification bell. So yeah, so let's just get straight into the video.
The right thing.
Alright, so we are going with the first celebrity, Chanel Mirror. What does it do?
I like fat girl. No, not fat girl. Thick girls. I don't like fake girls. It's so me big already. Me know nobody big like me. You know me? So what do I do with that? I pass it now?
Yeah.
Yeah, pass. Pass. So, next one.
What I got to wait.
Oh, you. Oh, go on.
Alright, I'm going to do it now.
You can work with him.
Not married her.
Trouble.
Married me, I'm going.
Alright. So, we have no
Lani.
official. I don't know what this is going to be.
Man, we be there.
But, is she now
Same pretty one.
very pretty and the makeup? So, very true colors.
That's
So,
not true.
We didn't write it about we married.
That,
We don't want to get married. And then, in night after our wedding, when we wake up beside her, we have to go run. So, all of those smash.
yeah. That's much hard too.
Smash, 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 smash.
Yeah.
Yeah. Right, that's all. Alright, so up next we have Vanessa Bling.
Vanessa Bling.
Vanessa Bling, Adam Bright. Smash. No wife material. Was she nice though?
I'm married her. Married.
Oh. So who we have next? The official Die. Real bad girl. Once you enter, you sign the contract. So, a mad girl this pass.
Me a pass that too. Me
She
a pass
mad,
that too.
he mad. Pass.
Mm-hmm.
Pass, straight pass. How this?
Yeah, shorty.
No, brother.
Definitely pass with that.
Pass. We not interfere with the World Boss program.
But a pass.
Pass.
Ay, funny.
Pass.
Pass with it.
No comment about it.
Pass with that.
Pass. 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 Mad.
So we have KCB, which is Usain Bolt girlfriend, wife.
Me now go carry on left bowl. Me can't go on left bowl, so what me I go do? The man is the fastest man. So how the hell me fi go interfere with the man, wife, or girlfriend, whatever
My
his
wife.
name be. My wife be
Married,
married.
yeah.
Me not go interfere. And me can't run fast. Too big for that.
Me go smash. Me go. Me go with smash. Listen, pass.
Yeah, me pass. You can run fast. Pass, you pass her. Me a pass her. You a smash. Alright. So, yes. Celine
Celine
Fraser. I will marry her. I will put a ring on it.
Alright, yeah, I'm married her too.
What you smile to Jesus Christ? Aww.
So we have this and chin.
This and chin.
We have
This
pass.
and no. Yeah, pass.
Pass,
She
yeah,
can
pass.
sing. Will I get so nice singing babies? Both pass.
Pass.
Yeah. Veronica
Veronica
Campbell. She's very tough.
Pass. Yo, that be nice.
Okay, cool. Never mind, that never happened. So, Veronica Campbell now, what may I do now?
Yeah, pass.
Let's smash it, you know. Yeah.
Like, look.
Oh, a strong body. Strong body. Let's smash.
Yeah, I'm going with pass.
So now we have
Dovey
Dovey
Magnum.
Magnum. Heavyweight, no. I tell you that. But she have heavy body too. Pass. Pass.
I'm married her.
No.
I'm married.
Where is it?
Alright, I'm going with pass. Pass, I'm going with.
Yo, Sir Luxury doll. You do your body and your breast and them vex. She too feet, me not like her. Pass.
Pass. Let's smash her. The foot is up in nice one. So we have
Boy, fear me.
wood celebrity.
So we have celebrity. No wood. Well, me have, yeah, we have wood. But me not smash no wood. Me pass one, you pass it as if on the road.
Now I'm gonna marry her. Watch her. You have want too much tattoo.
Look up on the road. You nice, you know.
Yeah, I'm
Nice,
gonna smash
lovely.
her. I'm gonna marry her because she have want too much tattoo.
Renee 630.
Me I go
Pass.
pass.
Too big.
Pass me I go with. So we have
Now we have
Tifa.
Tifa. Tifa get fat from with you know. I get fat. Well, let me see how I do now.
So for there.
Brother, where do we do? Yo, you interrupt. Get away from here. I think I said I'm not going through the Anywho, for Tifa now we go so boom. Alright, me I pass. Me pass. Yeah, pass.
I'm married her. Married.
Yeah, so me think I'm married there, but it go we can marry the same thing. So me run in the pass.
Same girl. Just that girl man thing.
Alright, same girl. May I can marry the same girl. Sorry, my apologies. Yes.
So we have the angel.
Pass.
Pass.
And Statius.
Patience well me know her, but
You know Statius in second mobile.
yeah, you pass.
Big body girl. Pass.
Pass me a pass.
Pass. So,
We have Stop Ashley.
I don't know who she is, but she definitely would smash. Yeah.
You married her.
Man, love married him, man. I want to divorce and go.
So we have Disha Raver.
I mean, man.
Let's
Pass.
smash.
Pass.
Smash. So yes, we have Dancing Reb.
Girl, body too fit. Look where you cock up in the air. I go slap him too hard. He go good as boss.
Muda
Smash.
Smash. Muda smash her.
What am I tell you?
We have Pretty.
Smash. She's
Alright.
pretty indeed.
Yeah, smash.
But then everything was pretty good still.
Alright. TC now. Mother. Pause. Smasher.
Me not pass she. Me take you all the spice dance with them name, man.
Alright.
Trouble. Yeah, man,
Smash.
Although a heavyweight.
Smash, bro, smash.
A heavyweight still, but we smash it.
Where's pie?
Pause, because I spice of family. My mother have the same last name. Can't do that. But she and mommy have the same last name. I can't do that.
Family
Can't
round.
do that. I can't ram no family. No family
It's a
ramming.
pass that.
I pass to my beautiful cousin that she doesn't know yet.
So we have
Aww.
pens here.
I know we didn't want to involve singing because you know she kind of go through one phase right now. So right now, what more I do? I just
Yep,
marry
married.
her and comfort her
Married her.
in our time of need because you know she lose her mother. So R.I.P. to you and my condolences to the family. Okay, Shengang? Love you.
Married.
Not married her.
She had one again. I think she a Mayan. I think a Mayan. Yeah.
Smash.
That's smash.
Yeah, smash. Smash. Yeah, you want smash.
Smash.
Boss.
What is that?
We need the curvy diva.
That smash her.
Boss. Boss.
Smash mother smash her.
So Miss Legendary.
And
just
pass.
Smash. One arm move. One arm move.
I should love do a thing then.
One arm move. No sitting.
We
No
have
sitting.
pass.
Standing. Standing ovation. Standing.
Pass.
So we have
Stefan done.
Teflon done.
Mother smash.
Yeah.
Stefan done.
Yeah. Smash. 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 Smash.
So right here the last picture, which is the official King Mackerel.
Yo, me eat that, yo. I eat some mackerel. Don't do that, bro.
Yes, so what they have with mackerel. P-A-S-S.
All caps.
Yeah. Pass.
All caps.
Pass.
But she has somebody picking it through, you know.
But a pass. Hey people, we have made it to the end of the video. Just remember to like, share, comment, and definitely subscribe. So yeah, we're out.